Alright, I got this OKO 24mm carburetor. I got it for free from this one guy on Marketplace when I got a Lifan engine that just came with it, so I want to rebuild it for my upcoming, or my next project, which is an Puch Magnum. I got the E50 built out already. It's got new internals, stuffed crank. I got new bearings, new seals, and painted. The clutch is stock, 2-shoe, so that might be upgraded later on, but for now it'll do. Got this ported out on the transfer, on the transfers, I guess you call them transfers. And then this is the treats reed. Also poured out a little bit of the transfers on this side. I will be pairing this with a reed housing, and kind of splurged since it's my birthday coming up. Got this guy here. Force. You know, they say it's got really good like responsiveness, snappiness, more power obviously, so I'm gonna try them out. I checked like a minute ago that these holes don't, here, let's just open this up. The holes on the V-Force reeds don't line up with this machined reed housing, unfortunately, so I gotta open up these holes a little bit more. So I do one side fits. Now I'm left with like maybe about 2 mil. Gotta increase on this end, but no big deal. And this is, these are the gaskets for it, and this is the intake for the OKO. Like that. Bam. Alright. Ignition is a HPI CDI. This guy here. So, I mean, first time using a CDI, so it'll be pretty interesting. The stock points work well enough, but I don't know, I want to try something new. Alright, these all came from the carburetor. I just gutted everything. Now I forgot which. We'll listen to what we figured out. I got a replacement here. It's clear, so it's cooler. This piece here came with the gasket. I took it off. The gasket was like super flat, super worn, and so I don't know. I thought this kit came with that gasket, but it didn't. So I have this transmission sealer. It like restores gaskets. I used it on a project a couple years ago, so I have some, so I might as well say, hey, F it, let's try it out on these gaskets. So these were left here for a couple days. This is my first time taking this off, so, or out of this cup, so let's see. Because before it was like stiff, it was cracking, but it's got like some squish to it. Alright. mean, I didn't do any research on that. I just thought, hey, let's try it out, because if it doesn't work, you just get a new one. Well, okay, I'm gonna just clean this up. Some gloves. Alright, let's see. You do this guy now. For some reason, these screws used Loctite. I remember it took a while to. It was really hard to remove, and I saw some like red residue on the thread, so it must be red Loctite. So I'm gonna add some red Loctite on this, just so everything goes back the way it was. So we won't be using this float bowl gasket because this clear one came with it. Looks okay, I guess. It'll do. Okay, let's see. PWK repair kit, made in Taiwan. My home country. Okay. Oh, this one goes here. I don't really know too much about this. So I don't know what jet I should be using, but whatever it came with, I'm going to be using it. And I'll figure it out later. Snug tight. Power jet. Power jet screw. Here. This one goes here. And then the main jet goes in here, seems like. I'll use this. This goes here. This rod goes here. course. Wow, it's nice. The float bolt is free. It's good. Looks pretty clean. I'm gonna add a slide, which I don't have the cable yet, so I might hold off on this, but just want to see how this works. I think go something like that. Oh no, this goes in here first, and then this will hold the cable. Be something like that, I think. Yeah, something like that. Right? Hold on. Cable goes there. Yeah, that sounds right. Just like that. Or is it like this? Yeah, that looks better. Go in here. Have this thing. That. Oh, wait. I forgot the spring. Spring will go. Yeah, that makes sense. There's like a lip for the spring. That's where it sits. That's it's facing that way. Okay, cool. I get. Oh. Nice. All right, cool. Oh wait, hold on. The what's called a power jet, the power jet hose. I'm gonna reuse it because it looks fine. That looks freaking sick. Oh my god. Whoa. Cool. All right.